Hey kids, today we are going to learn how to design a t-shirt using Canva application. We have designed so many different things, so let's learn how to design a t-shirt. Now, this is my Canva homepage. In the search bar, I will see there are so many different templates. Some are for free, some are paid. So we will use the one that is for free. So, which one should we use? Let's see. Okay, let's use this one. This is for free and it's nice looking. Let's use this one. We'll click on this. Once you click on a template, a new tab will open and it will allow you to edit your design. So let's wait for the tab to open. Okay, so this is our template that we have chosen. It is written over here, the logo or slogan that is written over here is parenting is my superpower. So let's edit this slogan. We'll make use of a catchy line. Now, do you remember during cyber safety week, we learned one sentence or one slogan about Spider-Man. That is, with great power comes great responsibilities. So let's write that one. Let's keep that as our t-shirt design. So I will write with great power comes great responsibility. And you have to adjust this so that it comes in. So you can increase the font, I think so. Okay. Okay, now it's looking nice. Our t-shirt design is ready and we can download it. So let's download. The file type is PNG. That is fine for us because PNG file type means it will be downloaded as an image. So click on download. The Canva will prepare your design. You can remove this and your design will get automatically downloaded.